The weather, a concern for the big crowds expected out for St. Patty's Day celebrations. That's for sure. And our Noel Brennan continues our coverage now live along the Chicago River. Hi, Noel.
Hey, Joe. This time tomorrow, the Chicago River is going to look a lot different than it does right now. Of course, it'll be dyed green. The weather will also be different. It's a little breezy right now, but tomorrow we are expecting the real winds, and later tonight as well. We spent much of the day over on Division Street, where the St. Patrick's Day party has already started, but not everyone there was paying attention to the forecast.
I feel like St. Patrick's Day here is kind of unmatched.
There's no divide on Division Street
Cheers!
when it comes to how people feel about the weather.
It's perfect now here.
We actually had to go buy t-shirts because we bundled up to come outside, and then it was beautiful out.
The feeling is mutual at the lodge and at Butch McGuire's across the street.
Nothing could spoil this day. Nothing.
I don't think that anything will deter me from going out.
I think your attitude can beat the weather any day of the week.
But what about high winds?
No. Are we in trouble?
No. Is it going to be super windy tomorrow? Uh-oh.
A high wind warning is in effect until noon on Saturday, with gusts that could top 60 miles per hour.
60?
It's always windy here, though.
Yeah, it is the Windy City.
It's the Windy City, am I right?
Chicago's Office of Emergency Management says it's monitoring conditions. The St. Patrick's Day parade and the traditional dyeing of the river will go on. Same goes for the festival on Division Street that will include tents and a stage.
We're going to close this stretch of Division Street down.
Bobby McGuire, owner of Butch McGuire's, has a few St. Patrick's Day celebrations under his belt.
A few, yep.
He's seen it all.
Everything. I mean, from snowstorms to days like this and everything in between.
Wind, rain, or shine, Division Street unites in celebration.
People are going to come out no matter what.
If you're up for braving the winds tomorrow, the dyeing of the river starts at 10 o'clock in the morning, and that parade steps off at 12:15 at Columbus and Balbo in Grant Park. For now, reporting along the Chicago River, Noel Brennan, CBS News Chicago. Joe?
Man, Division is kind of the epicenter of St. Patrick's Day around here for sure. I can only imagine the line outside of Butch McGuire's tomorrow and Sunday for that matter. Noel, thanks a lot. Appreciate it.